Hello everyone. Welcome to English with Sanzy. Today we're going to learn daily routine in English. Let's start. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I take a shower. Then I say my morning prayer. I eat my breakfast at 8 o'clock. I drink tea and eat bread or eggs. After breakfast, I get ready for work. I wear my clothes and shoes. I leave my home at 9 o'clock. I work in an office. I start my work at 10 o'clock. I work on my computer and talk to people. At 1 o'clock, I take a lunch break. I eat rice or vegetables. After lunch, I go back to work. I finish my work at 5 o'clock. In the evening, I go for a walk. Sometimes I exercise or play games. At night, I eat dinner with my family. I watch TV or use my mobile phone. Then I read a book. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. This is my daily routine. Thank you for watching English with Sanzy. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.